Hello guys, welcome back to Cocktail Kitchen. I'm here at the counter with my dear friend Jay.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you, Valentine?
Good.
Thank you for having me.
I'm very happy to have you here. I haven't seen you in a very long time.
Yeah.
Have all of our booze on the table, all of our spirit, our ingredients, our bottles. What are we doing today, Jay?
Today we just do a simple Manhattan classic.
Okay.
I like it straightforward.
Yeah, I like it. I like the sound of that. Why do you choose for a Manhattan?
Well, it's one of my favorite drinks. It's spirit forward, great balance. I love bourbon.
Yeah. When was last time you had a Manhattan?
I think 2 months ago.
Okay. Ah, yeah, together, right? So let's do a Manhattan. I'm here helping you with the ice.
All right. Thank you.
What are the measurements in your Manhattan? What we do?
So for my Manhattan, I use 45 of bourbon.
Yeah. We have a nice Rosso Reserve. It's aged for 10 years in overcharred oak, so it has this nice spiciness next to caramel and vanilla notes. Nice.
15 ml or half an ounce of vermouth, sweet vermouth.
So 45 with 15 ml of
yes.
We have our glasses nice and chilled.
And then, just for a little bit of acidity, I use balsamic vinegar.
Ah, balsamic vinegar?
Yes.
Can you do that? Can you say that again? Just for a bit.
For the acidity, I use balsamic vinegar.
Cool. So that's your signature on the Manhattan.
Yeah, it's a little twist. Usually, if I'm at home or in the bar, I use some of the juice of the maraschino cherry for sweetness. But today I feel for a little bit of acid. We'll
give a nice acidity. We'll give another dimension to the Manhattan. This is nice balsamic vinegar. It's also aged, so I guess it will work nicely with the bourbon.
And then a few drops of Angostura bitters.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
And let's do this thing.
The balsamic really smells nice, and it goes nicely with the vermouth.
Yes.
With all the herbal licorice sort of aromas. Oh, I'm excited for this. Okay. I like it. Thank you.
A little more.
Yeah, nice. And also the balsamic, I think it increases
the taste of the vermouth, right?
Yes, and the sweetness. It accentuates the sweetness of the bourbon. Put it in. Nice.
Nice viscosity.
Play with it.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks really good. We have bourbon, vermouth, some balsamic vinegar. We garnish it with the orange.
Yes.
Excellent. So we got the classic old school
garnish.
Yeah. Should I go ahead?
You may. Yes, you may.
Thank you. Wow. Should I drop it in?
Yes, please.
I garnish mine, you garnish yours.
Yeah, that's teamwork. All right.
Excellent. Yeah,
I think we're ready for a taste, huh?
All right.
Thanks, Jay. Cheers.
The vinegar really
enhances,
yeah,
right? It
does a really nice job. So we have this Manhattan with a bold bourbon, which is 50 ABV, so extra strength. So that has a nice kick to it, and some spice with a nice sweetness and herbs from vermouth, and the balsamic really just cuts through that and gives a nice, really nice balance.
And then the smell with the orange just rounds off everything.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Thanks again. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.